Are you having issues exporting form entries in WordPress? Discover a simple way to export your contact form 7 entries to a CSV file. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to efficiently handle your form data. Stay tuned and streamline your workflow. First, you'll need to create and publish a form on your WordPress website so you can get some entries. Begin by installing and activating these plugins Contact Form 7 and Contact Form 7 database from the WordPress repository. Open the Contact Forms menu on your WordPress admin screen. You can manage multiple contact forms there. You will notice that the plugin has automatically created some basic form fields like name, email, subject, and message. In most cases, you'll probably want to keep these fields and maybe add a few more depending on your needs. Then, save the form. Now that your form is ready, move to the Mail tab to configure mail delivery settings. This field allows you to customize the to and from field of the email. So in this option, you will need to enter your email address. By default, Contact Form 7 uses the site admin's email, but you can change it if you don't want to use that one. A good practice is to put your site's name here. The sender's email address is also placed there. And the body message where you can customize the message body of the email. Most of the time, you won't need to mess with this unless you want to include something really specific in the body of the email. To use the contact form on your site, just go to any post or page and insert the Contact Form 7 block. Alternatively, you can take the shortcode that you can see next to each contact form you create, via the contact forms list, and copy-paste it into posts and pages via the shortcode block. Now your contact form is live in the front end. To export form entries from your WordPress, let's back to the WordPress dashboard. After that, starting by go through these steps Contact Database. Choose the form you wish to export data from in the drop-down menu labeled Contact Us Form to select the desired form. Alternatively, you can enter the name into the provided field to export only the contact form entries containing the searched name. You can customize your table settings in several ways. First, toggle borders around cells for better data separation. You can also show or hide the table's title and column headers. For large tables, fix the header in place to keep it visible while scrolling. Display ellipses for truncated content, and add pagination controls at the top or bottom for easy navigation. The action column lets users edit details by clicking the pencil icon, view full contact information with the eye icon, and delete contacts if needed. Before exporting form entries, you can select a time range to audit metrics, rearrange columns by drag and drop, or hide them with the eye icon. Click the download icon next to the form drop-down menu to export a CSV file. Start using Contact Form 7 database today and leave a comment for any questions or assistance. Let's simplify managing your WordPress site together.